Meaning of dumbshow.
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 Dumbshow. A dumbshow is a theatrical convention in which a pantomime or mime scene is acted out on stage without any dialogue. It was commonly used in Elizabethan and Jacobean drama to provide additional visual information to the audience. The performers would use gestures, facial expressions, and body movements to convey the actions happening off stage or to introduce a new character or situation. By eliminating dialogue, the emphasis was placed on the physicality of the performance. Dumbshows were often accompanied by music or sound effects to enhance the dramatic effect.